You've probably seen a screen like this on your computer. Maybe you're browsing the web, using the internet, and somehow, some way, you get these pop-ups that start screaming at you. Maybe your sound's going off, buttons and things that you can't use your mouse anymore. It automatically full screens, and it scares you. That's scareware. These are all fake pop-ups that are meant to trick an unknowing victim into calling a number, you can see the phone number there, to have them get on the line with someone who's going to scam them. These pop-ups are some of the most common ways that the whole general population gets scammed. And we've talked about these scam pop-ups before in a previous video, and I showed you one of the resources where you could actually hunt for these and look for them with a really cool resource put together by my good friend Mo. But here's one of the coolest things. Mo got to join forces with Microsoft and actually move the needle and make a difference in the fight against scammers in a really cool way. And that is the Scareware Blocker, now available in Microsoft Edge. But take a look. The FBI reports that victims lose over $1 billion per year to tech support scams and related scams. While no one is immune, these scams particularly prey on vulnerable elderly communities. This new feature of Microsoft Edge, though, uses some machine learning and a cool model to recognize these telltale signs of scareware scams. And then it will give you the notice, hey, you cannot trust this site. This looks suspicious. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm just super happy to see this effort, this initiative, raising awareness to make sure folks are educated and cognizant of this so that users can protect themselves, even if they're not using the Scareware Blocker. So let me show you this thing in action. It's pretty easy. If you go actually to the 3 dots in the top right of Microsoft Edge, make sure that you go take a look at the settings down at the very bottom. Clicking in there, you can navigate to the Privacy, Search, and Services section. If you got a lot to scroll through, that's all right. You will track down the Scareware Blocker in the security section. And it is in preview right now, but as soon as I click the toggle here, it'll allow Microsoft to use AI, the machine learning model, to detect potential tech scams. The Learn More button will take you right to that article. So let me toggle this on, and now let's go see if those pop-ups, those scams that we saw online just a moment ago, if they'll get caught, stopped, and blocked by the Scareware Blocker. Say I somehow landed on greasy ttyysnails.surge.sh, whatever random domain, and if I were a victim and fell for this, clicked into it to try to make the pop-ups go away, clear out these windows, well, give it a second, and then the model will kick in, recognize and see this does not look good, and it will pull you out of the site, just like this. Scroll up to the top here, that site looks suspicious. We suggest avoiding this page. We blocked it to keep you safe from scams. And there, you could continue onwards as you like, close the page, and even see it captured down in a little screenshot. If you hit close page here, it'll let you send feedback. And tell them, let them know, hey, yeah, this definitely was a pop-up scam. I think this is awesome. I think this is engaging the community. I think this is letting folks share their voice, their input, their opinion as to, yes, in fact, this is a scam. And if you ask, how does the Scareware Blocker work? They've got this sweet graphic as part of their blog, and I'll be sure to link it in the video description. And I also got to chat firsthand with some of the researchers, product managers, and folks building this out over at Microsoft.
Thanks, John. It's great to be here and to get to talk to you about this. The topic here is something that really hits hard with our user community, and we're really happy we're able to put something out there and hopefully start to have an impact to help people protect themselves.
That was part of my chat with Rob Franco over at Microsoft. And if you're interested in the full conversation, I'll include another link in the video description so you can see the full interview. And Scareware Blocker is in addition to Defender Smart Screen, which I'm sure you've seen before, stopping you from going to other weird, random, sketchy sites. But now Scareware Blocker is a new first line of defense. If it's tracking the behavior, the activity that, full screens the window, disables your mouse and keyboard input, and then makes a lot of annoying, loud beeping sounds, that is bad. And I think it's important to note, it is a local machine learning model running on the local computer. It uses computer vision to compare the full screen pages to thousands of other sample scams that the scam fighting community has shared with us. That's Mo, and the fear toxin pop-up scanner we've seen on scammer.info and plenty of other resources. The model runs locally without saving or sending any images to the cloud unless you provide that screenshot while giving feedback. And I think it's super important to send that feedback. because that can then get fed to Defender Smart Screen and help other people. Sending the feedback really does make a difference, because if you're reporting false alarms, you're making the feature more reliable and better and improving things, and it's beyond just blocking individual scam outbreaks. The Microsoft Digital Crimes Unit goes even further to target the cybercrime supply chain. And they say outright, hey, maybe this thing isn't foolproof. It's not a silver bullet. It might not catch every scam, especially as tactics evolve, but they are doing their part. They're making a step forward and taking strides that you don't really get to see otherwise. So hey, turn it on, enable it, put that thing over in the settings, and help stand up to scareware. Let's see, I've been opening up a ton of these just to be able to showcase it. WebSecureAlert.com. Oh, this one's kind of interesting. Actually does like a CAPTCHA scam there. Press the keyboard shortcut Windows and R. Haha, press Control V, press Enter. Will Scareware Blocker catch this one just fine? Obviously, full screen, loud noises. I think it's gonna hit. Yeah, there we go. And you get the screenshot and everything there. I can hold down Escape to close out a full screen, but this put something in my clipboard, right? That was doing like actual copy-paste CAPTCHA scam. Uh-oh. Hey, this would be a sweet little malware shenanigans for us to dig into another video, but yeah, what is that one gonna do? How about the other one that we had open earlier? Scareware Blocker should hit this just as well. Yep, cool. That was awesomebrown867998.netlify.app. This is a scam. Yep, feel free to include the screenshot. Do it. Thanks for sharing. We really appreciate your perspective. Your feedback is crucial and helps us improve Microsoft Edge. Hey, stop those scams. Another one? Excellent. I don't know where this one's at. That area code is not one that I know, but Scareware Blocker kicks in. The site looks suspicious. Yep, let's do it. Pub-21cc65 whatever. Oh boy. Hey look, that's the video. Just want to help spread the word, just get the messaging out and help raise awareness, especially with all of this scam shenanigans. If you're searching in the settings for scareware, you can toggle on the Scareware Blocker, and I super duper recommend you do, even if not for your own device. If you're not using Microsoft Edge, and that's all right, plenty of other folks tend to, whether it's mom and dad, whether it's grandma, grandpa, whether it's folks that just need that education and need that safety and security so they don't get scammed.